You know the feeling. You're hitting your targets, you're stacking achievements and getting recognition. On paper, you're crushing it. But deep down, there's a quiet relentlessness. A sense that despite all of the success, something's missing. This isn't burnout. It isn't weakness. It's a symptom of the world we live in today. Sociologist Zygmunt Bauman called it liquid modernity, a time where nothing feels solid anymore. Careers, relationships, and even identities shift constantly. What used to be stable, like lifelong professions, rooted communities, and enduring values, has been replaced by constant change. And while that flexibility may look like freedom, it leaves high performers feeling like something is always missing. In the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna was not failing on the battlefield. He was a warrior at the top of his game. But when he was faced with the chaos of war, he froze. He felt the same emptiness many of us feel at work. And we tend to ask ourselves, what is the point of all of this effort if it doesn't feel meaningful? Krishna didn't tell Arjuna to fight harder or prove himself on a bigger scale. Krishna told Arjuna to steady his mind, to act with clarity and not impulse, to anchor his purpose beyond the immediate battle. And that's what we face in today's workplace. We need to be mindful that success without meaning is just an achievement. So here's why achievement doesn't always equal fulfillment. The need for constant reinvention. You're not just delivering results at work, you're constantly expected to sell yourself. In performance reviews, in meetings, in debates. We operate around a fragile identity. When who you are is tied to titles, metrics, and likes, it constantly needs updating. That treadmill never stops. And we feel a sense of restlessness. Every milestone doesn't last long, and it is replaced by anxiety about the next one. Bauman warned that when everything is disposable, even our sense of self becomes fragile. And that's why achievement alone doesn't satisfy us. Here's the real cost for high performers. Anxiety, where every win feels temporary. Loneliness, surrounded by colleagues, yet rarely rooted in deep connection. And the fear of stillness, where pausing feels like we're being left behind. This is why so many high performers feel unfulfilled. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that fulfillment comes not from outcomes, but from aligning actions with purpose. For high performers, this can mean committing to permanence. In a disposable world, committing to build something meaningful and long-lasting, be it a relationship, a project, or a philosophy, is an act of rebellion. Detach identity from purpose. You are more than your targets. Anchor your worth in your values and not validation. Relearn stillness. Depth and clarity come from when you stop running. Silence, reflection, and presence isn't wasted time. It's the foundation of meaningful work. Liquid modernity teaches us to keep moving, keep proving, and keep upgrading. But the real power move is to step off that treadmill and build something meaningful. We can choose to keep chasing that next milestone or to build depth. Depth in our career, depth in the work that we do, and depth in our relationships. To build a life based on meaning and purpose. If this video resonated with you, be sure to hit that subscribe button for new videos daily. I'm Olisha Naicker, and I will see you in the next video.